Welcome to my 2025 spring cleaning. Be honest, does anybody else have a love-hate relationship with spring cleaning? I love having a clean, tidy space, but some of the tasks that need to get done seasonally, especially in the springtime, can be really hard work and time-consuming, especially if you have a family. I have 3 kids, I work full-time, so trying to find the time to do extra above the things just to maintain my house on a daily can be a little challenging. If you can relate to any of this, grab a pen and a paper, write down your to-do list, get your cleaning supplies, and let's clean together. Okay, full transparency. This did not get done in one day. Everything you're seeing in today's video was done over an entire weekend, and it was not done in one shot. I kind of had to break it up around my kids' needs and just things that we had going on in our life. Done is better than perfect, and life gets in the way, and that is okay. Just do your best and give yourself some grace. Another part of my spring cleaning checklist is to declutter my entire home, going room by room. I'm going to have a 7-day declutter challenge coming up, so if that is something that you would find valuable, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss that challenge. The easiest way for me to clean, especially during spring cleaning, is top to bottom and left to right, or clockwise. I worked in hotels cleaning, and I actually cleaned a woman's house when I was a teenager, and I picked up a lot of tips to not only clean well, but also efficiently. If you're someone that is easily distracted or generally overwhelmed, especially with big projects like spring cleaning, I would try this method of moving around your space in a clockwise manner. Let me know in the comments, what is your least favorite chore to do during spring cleaning? Mine is definitely cleaning the blinds. I like to get my family involved and make it kind of fun for them too. Here I have my youngest just helping me take everything off the shelves and dust them, and he absolutely loved helping me. He felt like such a big helper. I have quite a few real plants throughout my home that I need to dust, but I also like to decorate with faux plants and flowers as well. So the easiest way I have found to get all the dust off fake plants is to just rinse them with really hot water and let them dry upside down. I've never had any issues with fading or anything like that, and I've been using this trick for years. Once those are dry, just time to redecorate our bookshelves. A little trick, if you have a space like this that you decorate and remove everything from, it's helpful to take a photo of how you liked it before, because once you have everything off, it's hard to remember the way you had it decorated. I feel like the legs of our tables and chairs are often neglected, so this is definitely an area to spend a little extra attention on. If you don't have one, I highly recommend a handheld steamer. This works so well for windows. Everyone always talks about cleaning your baseboards during spring cleaning, but don't forget about your doors and walls. If you have any rugs or carpeting in your home, make sure you're giving them a nice thorough clean. If you don't have a shampooer, they're pretty accessible to rent. And then I'm just going around my house and replacing any rugs that are old or damaged. That rug we had for almost 7 years. It just needed to go. Once my curtains are clean, a little hack I like to do is just to hang them back up on the windows and let them air dry. It releases any wrinkles and it makes your house smell like fresh laundry, which is amazing. Okay, I know I said cleaning my blinds was my least favorite chore, but honestly this is a close second. Cleaning on top of your kitchen cabinetry. Everything is really sticky, so you're not able to dust like normal. I did my best with a Dawn dish soap and water mixture and wiped everything down after waiting about a half an hour. I saw this hack to line the top with either parchment paper or paper towel, so then the next time you do this you just have to remove that and do more of a light dusting. If the weather is nice, don't forget to open up your windows. There's nothing better than just getting some fresh air throughout your house after the long winter. The best product I have found to clean my kitchen cabinetry is this Mr. Clean multi-purpose concentrate. You only need a couple tablespoons and it smells amazing. I like the blue one. It's my favorite. I love this life-proof product for all of my appliances and mirrored surfaces around my house. I even use it on my glass shower doors. It just really restores the finish and almost creates a barrier to help repel dust and fingerprints. I absolutely love this product. Once the whole kitchen is clean, I like to then do the inside of the microwave and oven. This is always a little bit bigger project, so I like to save this till the end, just in case I lose ambition. Fastest and easiest way to clean your microwave is just to boil some water for about 3 minutes. It makes everything really steamy, and then you're able to easily just wipe everything down and the food comes off, no problem. No chemicals needed. For the oven, I'm going to be taking out all of the racks and soaking them in hot water in my bathtub with a dishwasher tablet. I've seen this on Pinterest and I hope it works. Keep watching to see if this hack actually works. And then I'm being lazy today and I'm actually going to use this oven cleaner. I just get this at the dollar store. This stuff is strong. Definitely wear gloves. I should have had a mask on. I like to use the overnight method, or where you leave it on for at least 6 hours. And yes, I am writing myself a note because I have forgotten about this product in there before. Definitely don't use this product all the time. It is so strong and I don't really like to use those harsh chemicals, but when I'm feeling lazy and need something to help me out a little bit, this is definitely the product. And then I use just a plastic scraper and a Scotch pad to get any of the residue left over, which is pretty minimal. And once I have everything scrubbed and wiped down really well, I just go through everything with some dish soap just to thoroughly clean off any product that might be left over. My oven looks brand new again. For the oven racks, I am filling up my bathtub with hot water and dissolving 1 dishwasher tablet. Here is a close-up before of the racks. I did end up soaking these overnight. I had just lost ambition on this particular day, but I will say when I came to clean these the next day, this hack is amazing. I hardly had to scrub at all. Everything was coming off so easily. I rinsed everything really well, and here's the after. I will definitely be using this hack again. Our mattresses are another thing that can get neglected. I like to just do a refresh with some baking soda, let that set for a bit, vacuum that off, and then I am actually going to shampoo my mattress today. Watching this back, I had to giggle because if you look outside, it's fully snow covered. When I started on Friday, we had brown, like there was no snow on the ground, and then we had a little bit of a snowstorm, and now it's basically winter again. The joys of living in northern Minnesota, I guess. If you have a fabric headboard, I would shampoo it as well, but I have just this rattan headboard, so I'm disinfecting it with just some Clorox disinfecting wipes. Don't forget to clean the things that clean for you. So vacuum cleaners, washer and dryer, dishwasher, things like that. If you'd like to see how I deep clean my washer and dryer, check out that video next. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my 7-day declutter challenge coming up. And I'll see you in the next one.